Hello everyone, welcome to Anesthesia with Babar. In this video, we'll be going through some essential medical MCQs that will help boost your knowledge. Whether you're preparing for USMLE, NCLEX, or any other medical exams, this video is perfect for you. These MCQs will not only improve your understanding, but also give you the edge you need for exam success. Don't forget to subscribe. Question 1. Which electrolyte imbalance is most commonly seen in patients with kidney failure? Correct option A, hyperkalemia. Explanation. In kidney failure, the kidneys cannot excrete potassium effectively. This leads to potassium buildup in the blood, hyperkalemia, which is dangerous because it can cause life-threatening cardiac arrhythmias. Question 2. Which of the following is the primary pacemaker of the heart? Correct option C, SA node. Explanation. The sinoatrial SA node, located in the right atrium, generates electrical impulses that initiate each heartbeat. That's why it's called the natural pacemaker of the heart. Question 3. Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy? Correct option B, vitamin C. Explanation. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Deficiency leads to weak connective tissues, bleeding gums, and poor wound healing, all classic signs of scurvy. Question 4. Which of the following bacteria causes peptic ulcer disease? Correct option C, Helicobacter pylori. Explanation. H. pylori infects the stomach lining and produces urease, which damages the mucosa, leading to gastritis and peptic ulcers. It is treated with antibiotics plus proton pump inhibitors, PPI. Question 5. Which of the following hormones regulates blood calcium levels? Correct option C, parathyroid hormone. Explanation. PTH increases blood calcium levels by stimulating bone resorption, increasing intestinal calcium absorption via vitamin D, and reducing calcium excretion in urine. Question 6. Which of the following is the most common cause of liver cirrhosis in the United States? Correct option C, alcohol abuse. Explanation. Chronic alcohol consumption is the leading cause of liver cirrhosis in the U.S., leading to liver fibrosis and eventual liver failure. NAFLD is also becoming an increasingly common cause. Question 7. Which condition is most commonly associated with a butterfly rash on the face? Correct option B, systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE. Explanation. A classic sign of SLE, an autoimmune disease, is the butterfly-shaped rash that appears across the cheeks and nose. This rash is photosensitive and can worsen with sun exposure. Question 8. Which of the following is a classic symptom of diabetes mellitus type 1? Correct option A, excessive thirst, polydipsia. Explanation. Diabetes mellitus type 1 often presents with polydipsia, excessive thirst, along with polyuria, frequent urination, and weight loss due to the inability to properly regulate blood glucose levels. Question 9. Which part of the brain is responsible for regulating body temperature? Correct option C, hypothalamus. Explanation. The hypothalamus plays a central role in regulating body temperature by controlling mechanisms like sweating, shivering, and blood flow to the skin. Question 10. Which of the following is a common side effect of corticosteroid use? Correct option B, osteoporosis. Explanation. Corticosteroids like prednisone can lead to bone thinning, osteoporosis, over long-term use. Patients on corticosteroids are often advised to take calcium and vitamin D supplements to counteract this effect.